In this video, we'll explain an important aspect of using linear variable differential transformers, or LVDTs, understanding pretravel and overtravel. LVDTs provide accurate repeatable linear position measurements. To apply them correctly, you need to understand four key terms: mechanical stroke, electrical stroke, pretravel, and overtravel. Mechanical stroke is the total distance the core can move within the sensor. Electrical stroke, also called calibrated stroke, is the portion of the mechanical stroke where the LVDT provides its specified linear output. Only this range should be used for measurement. Pretravel is the margin of the mechanical stroke before the electrical stroke begins. Overtravel is the margin of the mechanical stroke beyond the electrical stroke, protecting the sensor if the mechanism slightly overshoots. Together, pretravel plus electrical stroke plus overtravel equals the total mechanical stroke. For example, if an LVDT has a total mechanical stroke of 1.2 inches with 1 inch of electrical stroke and 0.1 inches of pretravel and overtravel on each side, only the center 1 inch provides accurate output. The 0.1 inch margins are safety zones. Understanding these margins helps you set up proper mechanical stops so the core remains in the calibrated region during normal operation. A few best practices: verify stroke values from the datasheet. Set up your system so regular travel stays within the electrical stroke. Rerun system calibration if the core or mounting changes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the bell to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. For additional pricing and technical questions, contact us now at hgsind.com. Harold G. Schaevitz Industries. Performance and reliability is our business.